Samsung fans, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Before the official launch even hits the stage, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is already here. And today, we're doing the official unboxing before everyone else. If you're planning to buy this phone, trust me, you need to watch this first. This isn't just another upgrade. This is Samsung stepping up, refining everything, pushing the A series to the next level. No delays, no holding back. Let's dive straight in. All right, here we go. Box in hand. Clean packaging, minimal design, Samsung keeping it simple but premium. Let's lift the lid. Right on top, the Galaxy A57 5G itself. And wow, first look, this thing looks clean. The finish, the camera layout, it's giving serious flagship vibes. Inside the box, we've got USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, paperwork. No charger. Yeah, classic Samsung move. Now let's talk about the design. Holding this in hand, it feels solid. Slim profile, smooth edges, and that matte finish, no fingerprints, just pure class. And the colors? Samsung didn't play safe this time. Every color variant actually stands out. It's going to be hard to pick just one. You know what I like about this? It's not just about specs, it's about experience. Every year, people doubt the A series, but Samsung keeps showing up, improving, evolving. No shortcuts, no excuses, just consistent upgrades. And this phone, it feels like a statement. We'll be testing everything soon. Performance, camera, battery, gaming, all of it. But first impressions? This already feels like one of the strongest mid-range phones of the year. Now I want to know your opinion. Is the Galaxy A57 5G worth upgrading to? Or are you waiting for something better? Drop your thoughts in the comments, Go. And if you want more Samsung leaks, hidden features, and updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because we don't wait for the future, we unbox it early.